So we've got a Nexpose scan that we've done some configuration on. We've actually run it, and I want to show you how to actually go about using Nexpose to discover some hosts on a particular network. When I configured the scan, I actually knew a couple of hosts that I wanted to take a look at. So I want to do a scan now, and I'm going to do next. Now I'm going to have some limitations here because of the type of Nexpose that I'm running. I've just got the community edition. So what I'm actually going to do is I'm going to scan a portion of that address range. So I'm going to do 172.30.42.0/ and I'm going to do a /27 here. So now I can do a next. For scan setup, I just want to do a discovery scan because I want to see what's out there. So I'm not going to do any credentials. I'm not going to do any web applications. I don't care about the organization. And I'm not actually going to add any users because I'm really the only user of this system. So now I can do my scan here, and it's going to go scan these particular hosts here. So I'm going to do a start now. And what this is really going to do is it's sort of like running Nmap. It's just going to go see what's out there, see what's available on the network that you may want to take a closer look at. So we've already got 3 assets that we've added. We've got .1, .27, and .17. So far, it looks like it's going to take a couple of more minutes to finish, but you can see what it's doing here is it's just doing the scan of the network, seeing what hosts may be available, and it takes some time to do the loading. I'm actually just going to go back over to the Home tab here. And it's a little busy at the moment, so it's going to take a second to respond and come over to the Home tab. So at this point, we've got a list of assets that have been located, and we've got some information about the operating system for all of them. So if I were to click on one of these, for example, I should be able to bring up information about. Of course, there are no vulnerabilities yet. We do have some services, though, that it has found that are listening. So that's how you would go about just locating hosts on a network without doing a full-blown vulnerability scan against them. You just want to see what's out there, what services may be listening. You can just do a discovery scan using Nexpose, and then you can use that going forward to do some deeper dives on some subsection of the hosts that you've located based on, say, the operating system, and where you think you may be able to get the most bang for your buck.